Taylor Washington. I'm studying industrial engineering with a concentration in management. I'm from Hanover, Maryland, and I'm currently a senior. I chose because the first time I came on campus, just like the way people, the students on campus were kind to my parents and I when we first came, I just really liked how open all the students were to welcoming us into their community. The first program that helped me be seen and felt that I was being heard by the university was through the first year fellow program. My first year fellow, she empowered me to apply to different positions on campus. Because as an engineering student, when I came in, I was super shy. I was dealing with imposter syndrome, but she's the one that encouraged me to get involved in the National Society of Black Engineers earlier on, Habitat for Humanity, all the organizations that I'm now a part of. I joined because she told me it's okay to get out of my comfort zone. She saw me as a leader, and now I am today a leader, probably because of her. Everything that my mentors have given to me, whether it's been advice or an opportunity, I've tried my best to give it back to another student. I really like a few of the research programs we have at UM where students are able to do research outside of their major. Because when I first started wanting to do research, I didn't know what area I wanted to do it in. So I was able to do research with the library through the Adobe Scholarship Program, and then eventually do research in my major. And I really like the flexibility around students being able to choose where they want to research and also for it to be a paid opportunity. The first grant program that I worked on was the Racial Justice Grant program was called STEM-D. The program focused on helping students gain certificates and gain skill sets that they can show for when they get to college. And we were able to do a showcase at the end where 20 of our students were able to show some of the projects that they've been working on this whole semester. I did research on the cycle of hate in the United States for minorities such as the African American community, Native American community, and the Asian American community. But throughout the year, I was able to learn various different programs such as ArtStep, Adobe Spark, and I was able to use ArtStep eventually to create a virtual Black History Museum. I wanted to create a museum that displayed all the artwork that we had on campus in the Black community to showcase all the beautiful things that Black students on campus have done so that other students can see UM's history and the things that are happening right now. So I was able to showcase some of the new organizations like Gravity Magazine, which is this beautiful magazine that one of my friends started. In addition to that, there was BCC, which is Black Creative Collectives. They had a few pieces, and then poetry organizations on campus created some poems that I was able to display. This year, we displayed it again with a VR set, so students were able to walk through the museum in person. I really like how the College of Engineering immersed you in the program. So all the projects that we had in my class, I was interacting with some part of the community, and I was also working on my engineering degree. So from our sophomore year, I did a project with Subway, which is an on-campus dining option. And we were able to make it more efficient for students to check out food just by doing our homework. We did that throughout the year. So even my capstone project I'm working on now is called U-Umbrella. It's an interdisciplinary project with electrical engineering students and industrial engineering students to create a rental system for umbrellas on campus because it rains a lot. It's fun being able to use my engineering degree in my community and seeing people's reaction when I tell them about a rental system. They're like, yeah, we definitely need that on campus now. So it's really cool to be able to do projects that mean something on campus. When I was a freshman, I was kind of shy. I didn't really try a lot of new things, but the city of Miami is just so vibrant. And there's so many new things I hadn't heard of before, food, cultures, events. I really like how the city has there's always something going on, whether it's on campus or off campus. Being an engineer in Miami kind of brings out the art side of the engineer that I never knew I would be. Miami has so many different resources that a lot of untapped resources students don't even use. So I highly recommend using them. So I think coming to Miami really helped me to bring out the creative side that I didn't know I had before.